Today we'll look at the integration of the 3D experience in Solidworks. Let's start first by looking at the toolbar. You have Save Active Window, Reserve, Unreserve, Reload from Server, Replace by Revision, Maturity, New Revision, Change Owner, and Move. From the View tab, we have Properties, Expand All, Select All Visible. And from the Tools, you have the Relations, Replace Content, Set Enterprise Part Number, Generate Derived Output, Print, Export, Options, and Customize View. We'll zoom back out. As you notice, as I select any object in the Solidworks tree, it selects the same object on the integration tree. Vice versa, if I do the same thing with the integration tree, it'll select it in the Solidworks tree. And if I select a component in the model, it will select it in both locations as expected. So now let's look at our session. I have my session. I can refresh, settings, I can go to my profile, notifications, my help. From the compass, I see all of my roles, my apps that I have available to me, and assigned to me by my administrator in my company. I have my favorite apps and my roles. Here, I can search for any roles or apps that I want, or I can search the database or the platform for anything, any files that I want. It is my way of searching for something I might want to add to my model or open from the platform. Here, I can also rearrange my columns to fit my needs. On the next session, we will go into saving the file